Our recipe will be chicken with vegetables. The ingredients will be as follows:
3 chickens, bread fillets, 2 large peppers, 1 green and 1 red, 1 medium onion, 1 cup of carrots, 1 cup of cauliflower, 2 cups of chopped fresh broccoli, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 clove and half of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of shoyu sauce, salt, 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. Slice the peppers, onion and carrot into strips.
Skillet, added the oil. Onion and garlic and salty. Overload it.
When the onion is transparent, add the peppers, carrots and cauliflower.
Cut the chicken into cubes and listen in your way.
In another pan, saute the chicken until it is completely cooked, fried. Let it brown. Add the shoyu sauce. Add the chicken and vegetables and apple cider vinegar and honey.
Let it brown.
The heat and sear with the accompanying of your choice. Very, very easy.